Hey Dickless, come downstairs. We have a surprise for you.
What is it, Dave, Larry, and Napoleon Dynamite?
We got a pet.
Oh boy, what animal is it?
Let's open the box to see for ourselves.
Bark bark, bark bark, bark 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 bark.
We got ourselves a dog. His name is Via Rail. What do you think?
This dog is so stupid.
Dickless, how dare you call Via Rail stupid? You are so ungrateful.
But Dave, I don't like this dog, and I wanted to get a bunny rabbit and name it Amtrak.
I don't give a shit. That's it, you are grounded for 9 years. Go to your room now. It's alright Via Rail. Dickless has been grounded and sent to his room, and he will never hurt you again.
How about we all go outside and play fetch with this toy hot dog?
Great idea, Larry. Let's do it.